Early this morning, we have been able to recover another AK-47, bringing the total number of illegal firearms in Eten to 6 illegal firearms and several rounds of ammunition. And the operation is still ongoing. Early this morning, I think the officers from the DCI acting on a tip of about suspicious characters in this village of Kanyagi. They responded and they came to this homestead. And when they identified themselves, I think there were 3 robbers inside the house behind us. They started shooting. And in the ensuing shootout between the 3 gangsters and the police managed to gun down 3 of them and recover this AK-47 illegal firearm and 9 rounds of ammunition. As I've said, this brings to 6 the number of illegal firearms which have been recovered. We believe, and our information is correct, that this is the firearm which was used to murder the late acting chief for Kamakwa location. This firearm, we are going to conduct some ballistic examination to confirm this fact, but that is the information we have because we have been following it.